In today's video, I'm going to talk about the I-130 process. If you want to petition for a relative, how the process going to look like. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. If you are new here, I talk about immigration, business, finance, I help newcomers, permanent resident, U.S. citizen here in the United States of America. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the I-130 process. Okay, so if you are somebody who is thinking about petition for your relative, how the process is going to look like, okay, and I will explain it. And this is going to be like a kind of like video series, and I will make a different video explain in detail how the process looks like. Okay, so today, if you are a petitioner, okay, you thinking about petition for a relative, whether or not you are a U.S. citizen or you are a green card holder, you have to know that you can petition for a relative. By relative, I mean your spouse, your children, unmarried, minor, married, adult, your siblings. You can petition for those people. But you have to keep in mind, also your parent, okay, you have to keep in mind that only U.S. citizen can petition for their parent. Only U.S. citizen can petition for their siblings. Okay. So now, how to start the process? Okay, you just think about it. You're just like, okay, I want a petition for my relative, but you don't know where to start. Okay. The first thing you're gonna do, let's say you want a petition for your spouse. Okay. The first thing you're gonna do is to file I-130 petition. Okay. So I-130 petition, you have to file it for all your relatives. Whether it's you petition for your kids, I mean your children, you petition for your spouse, you petition for your parent, your siblings. You have to file I-130 petition. Now for spouse, not only you file I-130, you also gonna file I-130A, which is a form that you use to collect information regarding your spouse. You have to fill up that form and add it to the regular I-130, okay, before you send it to USCIS. Now, when you send your I-130 petition to USCIS, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen is USCIS will go over all the information you send, the form, all the supporting document. Okay, they're gonna go over those documents. So if everything is correct and they accept your document, they're gonna approve it. Okay, they will approve it and they will send you a notification, a letter saying that they approve your I-130 petition case. Okay, now once they approve it, if your relative lives outside United States of America, then USCIS will move your case to NVC, National Visa Center. If your relative already lives here in United States of America, then that relative will adjust his or her status here in United States of America by filing I-485. Okay. Now, let's say your relative lives outside United States of America and USCIS will send your case over to NVC, National Visa Center. So what's gonna happen over there is NVC gonna start keying all your petition information in the system, create a visa case for the intended immigrant, and then from there NVC will send a notification to you, the petitioner, or maybe if you have an agent like an attorney who is working with you, helping with the immigration stuff. So they will NVC will send information to you guys, you know, to tell you exactly what you do. You know, they will have like some type of instruction regarding what you do, and then in the welcome letter you will receive invoice ID and case number. You know, and then you're gonna use that invoice ID and case number to log into the computer electronic application center at NVC. Okay, in case your relatives lives here in the United States of America, then you will get a notification so that relative can start the green card process. So that relative gonna start filling up on I-485 form. Okay, send all the supporting document with the form to USCIS. So don't get confused. If your relative already live here, your case doesn't supposed to go to NVC. If by mistake USCIS send your case to NVC, you have to call NVC and let them know that no, your relative already live here in the United States of America. Therefore, that relative has to adjust his or her status here in the United States of America. Okay. So once your relative send all the green card information to USCIS, USCIS is gonna go over all those information. Okay. Then we'll schedule appointment that application supporting sender. Then your relative will go over there for fingerprint, okay, for photograph and then signature. So your relative will sign that, you know, whatever document he or she provide genuine document, you know, all the information he or she provides on the form are accurate and right, and then sign that form, and they call it acknowledgement form. Okay, and then that's when your relative will get his or her fingerprinting. Okay, we'll do the fingerprint. The USCIS will use those information to do the background check, identify your relative, know exactly who that person is, and then from there, if interview is required, USCIS will send you notification that okay, the applicant will go for interview. Okay, in some cases interview is not required, and then from there, if everything looks good, the background check, everything looks good, then your relative will get a green card. But if there is an interview required, then your relative will go for interview. If everything goes well, they will make a decision to give the intended immigrant a green card. But in case USCIS denies the green card, you will can file a motion so they can reopen the case and reconsider it. Okay, so in case that one is when your relative lives here in the United States of America. In case your relative lives overseas, then once you guys receive information to log in Computer Electronic Application Center, you're gonna pay fees. You're gonna pay immigrant visa fee, affidavit support fees. You have to wait till it process. Once it process, you will see like paid, PAID. It means that you can start the process fill it up on DS-260 form, which is an immigrant visa form. Meanwhile, before that, you can fill up the affidavit support form and also upload all the financial evidence of that affidavit support form. So basically, the affidavit support form is a contract between you and the U.S. government saying that you're going to be financially dependent of the intended immigrant. Okay, and you have to support those. You don't just say, you have to show proof that you have a financial means to do that. So and then you got to submit all those financial documents. I'm gonna go more in detail, about this in another video. Okay, so and then you, like I say, you fill up on DS-260. Now you the petitioner, is the one who gonna file the affidavit support, and now the applicant are gonna submit all his or her civil document. Different civil document. It can be marriage certificate. It can be court document and police certificate. All those stuff. It depends on who you filing the petition for. Okay. Now that you submit all your civil document, you the applicant, you submit all your civil document. The petitioner submit all the document he has to submit. Now NVC gonna review all those documents. Okay, if everything looks good, then they're gonna accept the document and send you a notification that you are documentally qualified. Therefore, you're gonna wait for interview at the U.S. Embassy, where you the intended immigrant will go for interview, or your intended immigrant will go for interview. Okay, so now once NVC send you an interview letter, okay, sometimes it takes time before they send you an interview letter. Once you get an interview letter, you will see information like the dates, the time, and which embassy you the intended immigrant will go for the interview. Now that I received the interview letter, you're gonna start your medical examination process, okay? And then the U.S. consul will tell you exactly where to go for a medical examination. And then once they get the result, everything, you will go for the interview. You provide all those documents. You will take some document with you, okay? The document, you know, there is a lot of document you have to take to the interview. You take those documents to the interview, and then the consular officer will conduct the interview. If everything goes well, then you will get your immigrant visa to come to the United States of America. So if you go into the interview with your family member, there are, you know, relatives who will come to the United States of America with you, the interview letter will have a list of all those people, and then all you guys will go for the interview, okay? And then, like I said, once everything goes well, you will get an immigrant visa to come to the United States of America. Once you get your immigrant visa, you have at least 6 months to come to the United States of America, okay? Or if on the medical examination, let's say, going to expire in 5 months, you have to make sure you leave the country before that medical examination expires. If not, you're going to do it again. And then once you come to the United States of America, or before you come to the United States of America, once you get your immigrant visa, you, the petitioner, will have to make sure you pay the immigrant fee for the intended immigrants. So the immigrant fee is for the green card. That way, when he or she comes to the United States of America, USCIS can send them the green card, okay? If you don't pay the immigrant fee, then USCIS won't be able to send your relative a green card. Then you have to pay the fee here in the United States of America before they do so, okay? So basically, that's how the process works if you're gonna take the immigrant visa route, if you're gonna take adjustment of status on route. You have to keep in mind, visa, once the I-130 petition is approved, a visa number will be available for immediate relative. By immediate relative, I mean minor children of a U.S. citizen, spouse of a U.S. citizen, and also parent of a U.S. citizen, okay? Those are immediate relative. So people who are not immediate relative, they have to check on visa, something called visa bulletin board, to know when they're gonna be able to start either immigrant visa process or when they're gonna start the adjustment of status process. So those people will be spouse of a green card holder, children of a green card holder, adult children of a U.S. citizen, siblings of a U.S. citizen, okay? They are in different categories. We have F1 category, which is unmarried children of a U.S. citizen. We have F2A category, which is spouse and minor children of a green card holder. We have F2B category, which is adult children of a green card holders. F3 category, which is married children of a U.S. citizen. We have F4 category, which is siblings of a U.S. citizen. Okay, you have to check the visa bulletin board every month to know if it's time for you to start the immigrant visa process or it's time for you to adjust your status. I went over those in some of my videos. You can check it out, how to look the visa bulletin board. But if it's time for you to start those process, NVC will let you know anyway, and also USCIS will let you know when to start those process, okay? So basically, that's the steps you have to take. I do my best here to tell you exactly which steps to take, or hopefully I didn't forget anything. But if you're watching this, you think that I forget something, just let us know. Let me know. We are here to learn. So in upcoming video, I'm gonna go in detail, step by step on how you're gonna do those stuff. Okay, it's gonna be, like I say, a video series. So we're gonna learn more as we go. So you guys who are new to this know exactly what you do. There is one thing I forget before I stop today's video is if you're gonna adjust your status here in the United States of America now, you have to file I-944, which is declaration of self-sufficiency. Basically, it's a public charge forms you have to fill up to show the U.S. government that the intended immigrant won't become a public charge, or you the intended immigrant, you won't become a public charge. In case you're gonna get an immigrant visa to come to United States of America, so before you go to the interview, you have to upload a form called DS 5540, and that form also shows on the U.S. government that you, the visa applicant, won't become in public charge here in the United States of America. So it's just one more thing I want to add this. So basically, if you are somebody who want to start this process, you want to start I-130 process for your relative, those are the steps you have to take. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you gotta do is click on this. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.